Nice!
Oh, it's starting to hatch.
HobbyFamily HobbyFamilyTV.
OMG, we have 3 Hatchimal surprises, guys. We have 3 of them. Who's gonna help me open these up? We've got HobbyPig, HobbyBear, and HobbyFrog. Let's do it. Who has what? Which one is whose?
I'm in the middle, I guess.
No joke, we can't find these anywhere, and the fact that we found them was pretty amazing. I mean, we've seen people with like loads of these in their grocery cart or shopping cart, and we just had to wrestle one to get one free. But we got it, so we paid for it fair and square. That's all that matters. Let's see this. You can get P-Cat. That's a weird thing to get.
Wow.
That's just weird. But I hope you get it, whatever it is.
A P-Cat. I want
a P-Cat, yeah. I like a pecan pie.
This P-Cat.
Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's open these. Do you know how to open them? They're not easy to open.
I got it.
Okay. Oh, look at that. He's got his bear claws.
You do like that, I'll do like that too.
You're into it.
Oh, the cat.
Why is there a piece in there?
Oh, wow. Look, you want to show me that? Let's look at it. Their faces.
Yeah. Oh, look, I found the egg.
You found the egg.
Oh, that's a big, long egg.
It is kind of an oblong egg. Oh, whoa, you got cracks already? Cracks already? Cracks already? Is it because you were smacking it on? You don't do that to your egg. You gotta be nice to your egg.
Fur. You got fur. Okay, I got the blue one.
Oh,
I want a blue one.
You'll get a. Maybe you trade. It's okay to trade with toys, but not actual, like, eggs. Oh. Whoa!
Okay. Oh, I got 2.
They're twinsies!
They're twins.
That is so cool.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I think both of these are twins.
I think so.
Yeah. Because these eggs are bigger.
Ah, that's why they're oblong.
Wait.
Hey.
Wait, I need to do this. I need to do this.
Oh, I can hear it.
I hear mine.
Give this video a thumbs up if you could hear the Hatchimals too.
You gotta be really nice to them.
Okay.
You gotta give them hugs and kisses. And give them good advice, like, you know, there's other eggs out there.
What about the instructions?
We need to
There's a lot of eggs in the ocean.
We need to do this.
It's called caviar. Yeah. So that's cool. Look at this guy. So he's like the guy that was on the top of the other one. Ah! He got him by the tail. He's okay. Oh, you have to do that?
Yes.
I can hear it.
You need the butt. What? That's a butt?
That's the bottom of
How do I make mine hatch? Like, that's impossible.
Well, you gotta wait. Or you could be like HobbyPig and just crack it like an egg. Not cool. Oh, look at him. He's doing the old school approach. He's sitting on it. You're hilarious. He saw that from cartoons. It must be true. Oh, look at that. You're gonna have some really nice dragons, or whatever they are.
Dragon cats.
Dragon cats. Here, let me see your other one. Alright, so this one, his head's all squished. Did you turn it off?
I turned it on.
Yeah, I think you needed to keep him in longer. Push his eyeballs. Oh,
Did you crack it?
Yes.
Oh, that's why. It bangs its head. It goes like this. Bang, bang, bang.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it makes you know. That's it.
Yeah, I can hear it. What
Yeah,
it's supposed to do.
Look, nice.
Yeah, his eyes are going.
Guys, how do I make my egg hatch?
Yeah, you're doing the right thing. I can hear it. It's very nice. It's very happy. See, he's using the yell parenting approach. It doesn't work. It does not work. But this is gonna have some nice little babies. Hey. Hey, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow. Wow.
Hey.
Woohoo!
Look.
Wow, that's cool. It's like a lion.
Hey.
2 lions. Those are super adorable.
Okay, you know what?
Oh, whoa, whoa. Frog, don't do it. Don't succumb to the peer pressure. You raise your egg the way you think is right.
They have wings.
Oh, they do have wings.
Wow, why isn't he waking up?
Gee, I wonder why. Let's look at a replay as to why that could be. So, there you go.
Open it. I opened it.
Okay. He's not waking.
Yeah, see?
He's not waking up.
That's what happens. That's what happens.
Make
See,
him
look,
wake-
his guys were in the eggs a little longer, and both of their eyes are working. They're happy. They're forming
Make it
complete
work.
sentences. Yeah.
Guys, mine is
Not
not
so much.
hatching so far.
Yeah, your guys are probably gonna like be really awesome.
Oh,
You're
yours
just like,
has marking.
whoa,
Look at
no.
the marking.
I know what you're gonna. No. Oh.
Not going to.
Yeah.
You're
Oh,
shaking
look.
a little. I feel it shaking a little.
You do.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet you it's gonna start to hatch. After all, they're called HATCHIMALs. So that one's starting to sing and wave its wings, and
Oh.
this one, not so much.
Flying.
Guys.
Huh? Think it's hatching? It sounds like something's happening. Hey! We've already seen what happens when you get a hold of these things. You're into it.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, it's starting to hatch.
Hey.
I want to go.
Hey.
I want to go.
Oh, it's hatching.
It's like Jurassic Park.
Look at it. It's growing.
That is so cool.
Oh, look at it.
Yes. You can help it if you want to. I think it's okay.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Wow, it's getting out of there. It looks just like a baby coming out of a shell, all cramped up.
Actually broken.
Oh, another piece is coming off.
Awesome. You can help it out now. I think you're okay. The instructions say you can give it a little bit of help. Alright.
What?
Super cool.
My girl's alive.
Oh, that's so adorable.
Destroy the egg.
Oh, she is just fine. A boy and a girl. Oh, look, they're dancing. Oh, look, they are rocking. They rock. Get it? So here's all of HobbyKid's awesome Hatchimals. Yep, and like every great toy in history, it leaves a giant mess for the parents to clean up. Yeah, that's the mark of a good
Sorry.
Yeah, I can tell. Leave a comment, let us know what is your favorite Hatchimal.
Yeah.
Alright, here's an update. He's alive!
He's alive.
Well, that's all you had to do was pat him on the head really hard.
Help me.
See, it works in real life too, like, good job, good job.
Oh, guys, I think it's because they go to sleep. I just saw mine.
Oh, wow.
Coming out.
Yours is just a heavy sleeper, just like your family members.
Yep.
Me, he takes after me basically. Hey, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye!
Bye.
They're sleeping, right? They're sleeping.
With their eyes open, yeah, that's what they're doing.